Actually, love is a scam. Nobody loves you. People love your position. People love your status. People love your success. So, love is nothing. Money is everything. If you want to enjoy your life, you need money. So, you have to earn money. At the same time, you have to save money. Suppose you are earning a good amount of money, but you are not saving. So, there is no savings. You cannot enjoy your life. If you want to enjoy your life, you have to earn money. At the same time, you have to save your money. So, you can invest that money. You can spend that money to make your life beautiful, comfortable, and enjoyable. Without money, you cannot enjoy your life. Without money, you cannot make people happy. So money is really very important. You need money for your treatment. You need money to help your parents. You need money to teach your baby. You need money to buy toys for your children. You need money to visit different new places. You need money to go different countries. Without money, you can't do anything. So you have to earn money in a legal way. And at the same time, you have to save money for your rainy day, for your future. So it's your future investment. So you have to earn money and you have to save money to enjoy your life, to make people happy, to make many friends. Without money, you cannot maintain your friendship. People don't love you. They love your status. They love your current position. They love your assets. They love your money. If you don't have a good amount of money, if you don't have a good status, good position, you will not have any friend. Actually, love is a scam. Nobody loves you. People love your position. People love your status. People love your success. So, love is nothing. Money is everything. So, earn money in a legal way and save money. And then enjoy your life. If you like this video, please comment here and share the video if other people can learn from this video. See you in another video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.